Hello guys, this is Yu-Chun. Today I just want to demonstrate how I write 6 queries in phpMyAdmin tools. And so first, I have 3 tables inside this database called phpMotors, and I'm gonna go to SQL to run my first query. My first query is to insert one row into the client's table. So it's right here. I'm gonna show that this is working. Okay, so I'm not gonna choose rollback right now because I'm actually running it. I want to insert data into my database right now. So I'm gonna click go. Cool, so you see this is working. And right now, if I go to clients, you will see this row right here. So Tony Stark with the correct email and password and label is a default, and the comment, I'm the real Iron Man, which is awesome. Okay, right now I'm gonna run a second query, which is to update. I'm gonna update the client label from 1 to 3. So I'm gonna run this query here. Okay. So I'm gonna go to SQL again. Okay, I'm gonna run this query. So let's go. Okay, successfully. So right now, let's check the database again. Awesome, you see, here it changed to 3, which means this ran successfully. Okay, the third query is that I want to update the inventory table and replace the small interior in the description to spacious interior. But it's only for this car, the GM Hummer. Okay. So let's go right here. SQL. Cool. I'm gonna run it. Cool. One row affected. So right now, let's go into this database and check. So the inventory and the data I update was in GM Hummer. So let's click and description. So let me open it. So this is kind of small. Let me expand it. So before it was saying that give you the small interiors, but right now I update to spacious interiors, which means my query works. Okay, that's awesome. Cool. Right now I'm gonna run my fourth query. So this one is that I'm doing inner join with 2 tables. One is the inventory table. The other one is the car classification table. So I use inner join right here. And I join on the ID, the classification ID, because they both have that. ID, one is a primary, one is a primary key, the other one is a foreign key, okay? And I want to look for all the record that the name has SUV. So it's supposed to return 4 rows. So let me run this query real quick. Okay, I'm gonna go. Awesome. So you see here, it ran successfully first, and it returned the records I want, all the car model with the SUV name. So it's awesome. Very, very good. Cool. The fifth query is just to delete. I want to delete the one row in the inventory table. I want to delete a Jeep car with model Wrangler. I'm gonna run it right here. And let's go. Oh, okay. Yes, I do want to delete. Okay, row affected. So right now, if we go into inventory, you won't be able to see the Jeep, a Wrangler. So it had 15 rows before. Cool. So you are not seeing it right now. There's no Jeep Wrangler in my database right now. So it works. Okay, you see 14 total before we got 15. Okay, awesome. So the last query, I just want to update the data in my inventory. So I want to update all the image and thumbnail. I want to add a /phpMotors into the URL for my image and thumbnail. So I'm gonna update with a concat. So if we go here, run it again. Okay, let's go. Cool, 14 rows affected because remember I have 14 rows in the inventory. So if we go here right now, you see all the image and thumbnail right now has phpMotors in front of the URL. Cool. So all my 6 queries work. It's very awesome. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much.